My goodness, look how big she is. This one's good. There it is, Julie.
Yeah, there we go. Come on, baby. Oh, he's breathing. Oh, he took it. Okay. Okay. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, little baby. Good. Come on, baby. Good, baby. Come on, good. Good. Good girl, Mom. Good girl. We got it. Oh, that was oh good, baby. What do we got here, Will? Come on, baby. Come on, Mark. Let's get him on out now. He's out. Okay, come on. Come on, little guy. Come on. Oh, my goodness, Muffy. Good girl. Good girl. Look at that. Oh, my goodness.
It's the green one.
This is the green one. There he is. Look at that, Muff. Look at that. Oh, my God. What a miracle. Oh. Such a good girl. You did that. Oh, my goodness. You got a pretty little baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Muffy. Cute. He's a cutie. He sure is. Good girl. Good girl. I'm going to move him over here. Good girl. Look at you. Look at you, Mommy. Oh, isn't it cute, Dennis?
Oh, look at the little dog.
Oh, my God. He's perfect. He's looking for you, Muffy. He's looking for you, honey. Yeah. To do this. I'm going to call Lonnie and Sarah now. Oh. No, there was no afterbirth delivered. Well, blood and stuff. Okay. You did so